Hi, I am Jess from TaskTwister.com and welcome to the most easy to use online software. As it provides a familiar interface like any email software, which your team member already know how to use and will love it. Unlike email, it is a powerful online task management software with scheduling engine that run and hide in the integration chain. Its dynamic ability to switch from technology to technology, providing a total network coverage you require. Thanks to its affordability start-off package, now every company can start using it without much consideration. Before I proceed further, some of you may want to know what is task management. According to Wikipedia, task management is a process of managing a task or portfolio through its life cycle, thus including planning, testing, tracking, and reporting. Task management can help individuals achieve their goals or group to collaborate and share knowledge for the accomplishment of collective goals. Method of managing a task varies, is based from company to company setup. Even though numerous software available in the market, yet there are still significant number of SME entrepreneurs who still prefer the non-software method of task management. This involves endless paperwork and tedious manually updating information. Normal task management software came in either web or non-web based. The non-web based software will confine the user group within an office environment only, which means it is difficult to whom work outside the office. While a web-based task management system is only able accessed by a computer via network and web browser. All team members must be knowledgeable of internet and web application and equipped with computer high-speed network. This will help to implement a successful task management system in this environment. Unfortunately, not every company can afford to equip their entire team member with this system and training. Even if it's possible, some team members may be in places where there are no or poor network coverage. Now let's see why we need all this online collaboration for. In today's modern world, practically everything is done through internet by someone from somewhere, whether business or leisure, old or young, global or local. Almost every company depends on up-to-date information through it. Temporarily offline may cause a company loss of revenue. So logically, going online is a must for a company team member to collaborate for the accomplishment of collective goals, especially when they are scattered all over the world. In the next few minutes, I will show you a feature that thousands of TaskTwister customers love to use. Dynamic Web Plus. For those who can't differentiate between internet, web, and internet service provider, let me clarify this, then you will have a clearer picture of what Dynamic Web Plus is all about. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer network that used to serve billions of users. In contrast, the web is one of the services that run on the internet, and service provider is a company that offers its customer access to the internet. Service provider can only provide service to a limited area, where their lines or wireless infrastructure is built upon, and for those people out of the area who are not able to access internet. This missing link can cause the online user inconvenience, as you or your team member may be in that area for assignment. TaskTwister Dynamic Web Plus not only provide a complete solution to this so-called missing link, but also widen hardware connection, device, and users. In order to demonstrate to you better vision, let's mock up the following scenario 1. Miss Dispatch, who works in an international company, need to send a consignment to her customer, who live in a remote area. Her instruction has to be communicated through the company online task management software via the internet to a selected truck driver. The truck driver, Mr. Speedy, who is assigned to this assignment, know nothing about computer and only understand a bit of poor English. On top of that, he is stationed on a remote area where there is no internet access and only equipped with a miserable mobile phone. He has to receive Miss Dispatch instruction regarding the assignment and subsequently report immediately to Miss Dispatch and whoever need to know about the outcome regarding the assignment through the same company online task management software via the internet. Can anyone out there help both of them on this tricky situation? With Dynamic Web Plus, all Miss Dispatch need to do is to option for broadcasting the instruction to Mr. Speedy through the company TaskTwister account. This simple step can be done by checking the broadcasting option checkbox when creating tasks for Mr. Speedy. This option triggers the dynamic web plus command and subsequently convert misdispatch instruction from the web-based technology to global system for mobile technology. The global system for mobile, also known as GSM, then broadcasts the instruction to Mr. Speedy through the GSM exchange near him, which he will receive in text message, also known as SMS. Now, Mr. Speedy is at ease as the instruction is in his mobile phone format, which he is familiar with. As for the after delivery report, all Mr. Speedy have to do is edit the SMS he received earlier by adding a template code, which he have briefed before, either 1, 2, or 3, and so on, that tally with his report templates, which had been set up for him in the system without his knowledge. After the editing, Mr. Speedy just have to send to a given fixed mobile phone number, either local or international, depending on the location of Mr. Speedy. The GSM will receive Mr. Speedy report and subsequently transmit back to TaskTwister, which will reconvert back from the GSM to web-based format through its dynamic web plus command. For those recipients who require Mr. Speedy after delivery report in real time, can option for any mobile phone instead of computer to receive the report anywhere instantly in SMS format. As for the rest of the recipient, they can log into TaskTwister and get the report through the normal internet method or option for an email to be informed. To summarize scenario 1, Dynamic Web Plus provide an option to online collaboration, even without internet network, computer hardware, or web knowledge. This can be a great advantage for those team members who fall under this category can now be the part of the company online task management platform to fulfill its purpose. While most task management software developers prefer to market their product to big organizations who have the professional and budget for such sophisticated management system, TaskTwister concentrate on small and medium enterprise who have limited budget and resources. TaskTwister believe in growing up together through step by step, hence offer a very attractive start-off package. We advise them to start off with our most basic module first, which is much cheaper and easier for their team member to learn and catch up, rather than an expensive, sophisticated, and complicated type of system. As they catch up and precisely know what additional feature they needed, then only purchase that particular feature. Thank you for watching this introduction video. For more TaskTwister feature, please check out within this CD or just call our authorized reseller for a full demonstration today.